Hey guys and girls, welcome back to another video. Now in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to install TWRP recovery mode on the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge running the newest and the latest Android 8.0. Now without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so first of all we'll have to start off by going into settings and then going all the way down to about phone. Now if you have such a screen where you have categories, just go to software information, or if you have any other kind of UI, just find build number and keep on tapping on it until it asks you for a pattern, or it will say down there that developer mode has been enabled. So I'm quickly going to put in my password, and then as it says developer mode has been enabled, I'm going to go back and then go back again, developer options, and make sure it's turned on and enable OEM unlock. And the second thing that you'll want to enable is of course USB debugging. So just scroll down, click on USB debugging and click on OK. Now once that is done, we'll jump right into the computer and see what to do. Now the next step after you plug in your phone to your computer is entering download mode. Now you can do that by pressing the power button, the volume down and the home button at the same time. Okay, once now you're in this blue or green or aqua, whatever you call it, screen, you can click on the volume up button to continue and then open up Odin and click on AP and load up the TWRP file that we had downloaded earlier. Now that once that is done and you can see the blue COM6 icon, just go ahead and click on start. And once that is done, you'll see a green icon on Odin that says pass. Now when that is done, just when it reboots, just let it reboot, and after its first boot we'll enter the recovery mode just to check that it's working, and it works. Okay, so Odin has finished flashing the firmware. So what we want to do now is check if the TWRP has been flashed. So I'm going to quickly power off the phone first. And to enter download mode recovery mode, of course what you're gonna do is press the power button, the volume up and the home button at the same time. Now once the boot logo comes up, just make sure you hold down the 3 keys and don't let go until the TeamWin page appears. So now as you can see that we have successfully installed TWRP recovery and it completely works. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. If you liked the video, make sure you go ahead and drop a thumbs up. If you want to see more tech related videos, just go ahead and click on the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.